Nice. Here at 10 Mile Creek. That is a big pine cone.
Yeah, that's huge.
Alright, so the starting line is going to be right here where this little rock is. And the finish line is going to be over there where that stump's in the water. Okay?
Yeah.
Right. Let me know when you're ready. Ready, set, go. Oh. Oh, yours is getting caught. Well, right now mine's in the lead, but it can change. Oh, dang. Oh, yours is passing me. Oh, you're passing me up. Oh, where did mine go? Oh, mine, I thought I got stuck. Oh, you're shot in the head. Oh, yours is going to win. Look at mine. It's going off to the side. Oh, man. Come on, buddy.
I'll leave it yours.
No, just leave it alone. Let it be. If yours wins, it wins. Oh, man. Yep, yours is on close to the fish line. Oh.
Or we can touch it for long. Want to go touch it?
Nice. You won, dude. Mine got caught in the riptide. Stay on this side of me, bud.
Oh yeah, that's where the fishing is.
Alright, see all these rocks right here? This is where the snakes like to be, okay? So we're going to stay clear of those. Right there where the water's going. Oh, right there you see how it flattens out where there's a log in the water?
Yep.
How do we get down there safely?
So,
fish of the day. Chris got him a little native rainbow. There you go. Put it back in there, buddy. Nice. Between me and Chris, so I can watch you. Yeah. Just be careful. Follow his steps. I got your 6. Yep. Just be careful with where you're putting your feet. There you go.
heck yeah. And right here is slippery, okay?
Yeah. This way is probably the best way.
Oh yeah, those some good little holes right there.
That's what I'm saying.
Alright, come on, Red. You ready for a fish?
Almost ate it.
Follow me. Here's the mountain climb.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Don't follow him.
I slipped and caught myself.
Alright, we found our spot. And they're off! We've got two. Oh, he passed him up! He passed him up at the waterfall! It's neck and neck! Oh, we passed him again! They're circling each other! Which one will take the lead?
Oh, it's coming in hot! It's coming hot right. If we go down there, we camp for a whole weekend, we hit all of this.
That is a hike indeed.
Oh yeah, dude.
God, that's
30
beautiful.
minutes down, hour out.
You know what? Oh yeah.
Told you, bro, this is what you have to come out here.
South Fork, Kings River.
Yep.
Boyden Cavern.
Look at that water. Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
We're catching fish.
Hey, buddy. Got myself a little native rainbow. Let's go. Here you go. Good. Well, he went that way towards you.
Perfect.
All right, we're all boogered up in here now.
I'll take care of that. Here,
All right.
take this real quick. Yeah, let me help you down real quick. Reel it up, reel it up. Now pull up.
There we go. You're all right, buddy. Oh, you're all wrapped around. You're all right. Ooh, perfect hook.
That's why fly fishing is amazing. It's safe.
Hey, buddy. Got myself a little native rainbow. Let's go. Here you go. Good. Well, he went that way towards you.
Perfect.
All right, we're all boogered up in
Okay,
here now.
I'll take care of that. Here,
All
take
right.
this real quick.
Wow. It's really beautiful out here.
Let me get my last hook out.
Hi, buddy. You want to release it?
Yeah.
Come here. There you go. Nice. Go, buddy. Nice. He's right behind your feet, just chilling. You can't even see him, man. He blends in with the rock. Look, he's right here chilling next to us.
Oh, yeah.
He's just chilling.
No, leave it right there.
You got it? Oh, 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 oh. How many hooks you got in there? Damn. Oh, we still got...
Wait. There you go.
He's still chilling right here, dude.
Maybe we should get it to work.
You got a little guy.
Fill it up. Now pull up.
There we go. Caught a little brown over there and a little rainbow right in there in that pocket. I'm gonna put some heavier split shots on so I can get it out there in that pool. I know there's some fish in there. Oh, we found a cool little spot. Nice.